Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. This is Muhammad Abdullah from class 8.
And I am Muhammad Usman Halil from class 8.
And I am Muhammad Asad from class 8.
I'm Muhammad Shahzaid from class 8.
Today we are going to tell you about Edison, which is a type of robot. First of all, I would tell you that we started from virtual robots. Virtual robots include Sisyphus tools, Scratch and Scratch Junior, in which on our PCs we used to program these little objects with the help of some codes and some numbers. But now, as the time is going on, so we started to real robotics, and they include Bumblebee and Edison. So today we are going to tell you about Edison. Edison is a robot of this small size and is having lots and lots of functionalities which can be programmed using laptop and barcodes. Now I would like to invite Usman to tell you about Edison.
So as you can see, there are three buttons over here. One is triangle, one is square and one is circle. This triangle button is used to start the program. Once you have programmed, it will perform this. And this square button is used to pause it, and round button, when you will tap 2 times, it will scan the barcodes. And now at back you can see this is line tracking system. This small button is power button. Over here I have ADCOM cable in my hand. You can attach it over here, and you can attach it with your headphone jack in your PC and program it.
As Muhammad Usman told you that there are different functions which Edison robot can perform. So here are some functions which are sumo wrestling, bounce and borders, clap control and driving, avoid obstacles and follow torch. There is also one more function which is line tracking. When we'll press this round button 2 times, then it will scan the barcode over here, and then it will perform on this chart. So now we'll give you a demo.
Now I would like to tell you about the barcode scanning system of this Edison robot. I'll just press this circle button 2 times and it will read the barcode. Now it's programmed to use the clap sensor. Here is clap sensor, and when I'll press it 2 times slightly, so first I'll press this triangle button and then it will show that it's programmed. Now I'll press this this sound sensor 2 times and it will move forward. 1 time it will turn right. And this is how we are having a lot of barcodes which are used to program this Edison robot. We can also use ADCOM cable by inserting it into the PC, and with that we can program it by our own wish. Thank you very much.